We used to call them CTP protein balls, but you can actually use the vanilla protein powder in this recipe as well. It just works nice in this recipe because we're not baking. It's a no bake recipe. So it doesn't serve the same purpose as a farm. So right here, I have a cup of organic oats and then half a cup of peanut butter. Oh, I have a spoon here. So make sure, we've talked about peanut butter a lot. So make sure you have the natural peanut butter, 1 ingredient, peanuts. The recipe does say honey, but you can use honey and maple syrup interchangeably. I'm more of a maple syrup fan. You can add nuts, seeds, and dried fruit of your choice as well. You just throw it all in the bowl, mix it up and roll them. Like how easy is that?